What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video rebuilding 2016 Mercedes S65 AMG Coupe. This vehicle was involved in a front-end collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. This is part 2. In part 2, we're gonna start the painting process, and I'm gonna show you guys from A to Z how to make this paint job 100% perfect. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna announce the lucky winner who gets to keep this emblem. So stay tuned. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. That is it, my friends. We're ready for paint. Just installed the fender. Gaps are looking perfect, just the way I like it. So I'm gonna give it to Andre. He's gonna start prepping and painting, and I'll show you guys the whole painting process as well. And this is a pearl white, so 3-stage. So we'll show you what you gotta do to make this paint 100% perfect. The door is apart. The gaps are looking good. Also had to remove this molding so nothing is in the way. So yeah, something like this. Got the bands in the spray booth. Right now Andre's gonna do his magic, paint the whole front end, and we'll start putting the car back together and ready for delivery.
I have the Mercedes prepped and masked, ready for paint. I'm gonna start off by putting sealer on the front bumper and hood, since they're black and gray and we need a white base. So we're gonna put white sealer on the hood. I'll mask off the fenders so we don't have any extra overspray on the fenders because they're already white. We'll spray the hood, put adhesive promoter on the bumper, put white sealer, and then we'll be ready for our base coats. We got our white sealer and hardener. I'm gonna mix it up on the computer real quick and spray the front end. our base. Color code is 799. It's called Designo Pearl White, Mercedes. I'm gonna do the prime variant, and this is a two-stage color. So first we're gonna put the main layer, and then followed by the tinted clear coat, followed by a clear coat. That's the cover. Makes about 16 ounces. This consists of white, trace yellow, and trace blue black. Will give us our base color. Now we're going to reduce our color with 492, 493, and 494. All three of these combined will reduce our base coat. These two provide extra protection on the front end against rock chips and whatnot. So that way the paint's going to last much longer.
man, the Benz came out so good. Perfect paint job. You guys want to see? Wow, looks perfect. Yep, everything came out good, so we could start putting the car back together. Oh, looks beautiful. Here's the front bumper. So let's pull the car out of the spray booth and start putting it together. Before we start putting the Mercedes together, let's go and find out who's the lucky winner for the giveaway. What do you guys say? Let's do it? Let's go. And the moment we all been waiting for, we're gonna find out who's the lucky winner of this giveaway, the Mercedes-Benz emblem badge. So let's jump in and find out who's gonna be the lucky winner. And we'll be using commentpicker.com. We got 472 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's hit start and boom, let's fire in the hole. Hold on. Fire in the hole. Going once, going twice. Who's it gonna be? The lucky winner is GVX3. Congratulations, my friend. Hashtag Benz, I will eat my food from it. Well, you got yourself a little plate, my friend. Congratulations. Please send me your info, your first name, last name, and a good address, and I'll ship you out the Mercedes badge. So I'll put my email right here. Please email me with your info and you'll get your Mercedes badge. So congratulations. I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for participating in this giveaway. If you didn't win this time, don't worry. I got one more giveaway coming in next video. So we end up getting a new grill, and the new grill came with a new badge. So I removed the old one. So if you guys want this, I'm gonna be giving away in the next video. All you have to do is to enter the giveaway, drop a comment in this video and put hashtag AMG, and next video I'll pick a lucky winner. Simple and easy. So go ahead and drop a comment. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. In part 3 we're gonna put the car back together, take it for a little test drive, make sure everything is good, the car is not overheating, and we're ready for delivery. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!